Hi, this property is the view from the ocean. And this property is in the beachfront of the white sand beaches in Poblacion Panglao, Bohol. And this property is fully gated. Here is the main building, and this is the balcony on the second floor. So, it's the balcony. This is the converted to office or rooms. And this property is for rent and for sale. So in the second floor, there's a 2 toilet and bath. In the second floor, plus the master bedroom with own toilet and bath. So this is the walk-in closet. And this is the stairs going to the ground floor. This is the second bathroom, toilet and bath, or powder room. And this side is another guest room with window type aircon and ceiling fan. The property is so peaceful and fully fenced, and it's along the Barangay Concrete Road. So that's the second floor area in the main building. The property has a 3 building. The other building is 7 rooms with 7 toilet and bath. 2-story with rooftop with a sea view. Now this is the ground floor. This is the living area. The dining area. That's the stairs going to the second floor. There's a 2-room in the ground floor. Here is the kitchen room, and this is the entrance going outside. This is the washing area. So here is the kitchen area. If you have some questions and clarification, you can reach me at 639298903 That number is available on WhatsApp and Viber. So the kitchen is in the ground floor and it's good and has a space. The selling price of this property, it's 250 million, and if rent is 250,000 per month.